Are you preparing for the MHT CET PCB exam 2024? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. This exam serves as a gateway to some of the most prestigious institutions, opening up a world of potential opportunities and careers in the field of pharmacy and health sciences. The Maharashtra Health and Technical Common Entrance Test, more commonly known as the MHT CET PCB, is a state-level entrance exam that paves the way for students to gain admission into the first year of full-time degree courses in pharmacy and health sciences. This exam is not just a test of knowledge, but a test of one's ability to apply that knowledge in a competitive setting. The importance of the MHT CET PCB exam cannot be understated. It is a stepping stone to achieving your dreams in the field of health and science. With the right score, not only can you secure a place in a top-ranking institution, but you also gain a competitive edge in the job market. However, it's essential to remember that this is a competitive exam. Thousands of students across the state vie for a limited number of seats, making it a tough nut to crack. But don't let that deter you. With the right approach, diligent preparation, and a strategic study plan, you can rise above the competition and secure your spot. This exam is more than just rote memorization. It's about understanding the concepts, applying them, and being able to solve problems efficiently and accurately. It's about developing a deep understanding of the subjects of physics, chemistry, and biology, and being able to use that knowledge to your advantage. So, as you embark on this journey, remember that preparation is key. It's not just about the hours you put in, but how effectively you use that time. It's about finding the right study materials, creating a study plan that works for you, and consistently working towards your goal. Preparing for the MHT CET PCB exam 2024 might seem daunting, but with the right strategy and consistency, you can crack it. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey that will test your knowledge, skills, and determination. Remember, success is not just about reaching your destination, but about the journey you take to get there. So, what are the best resources to aid your preparation? Well, it's important to remember that not all study materials are created equal. The right resources can make all the difference. For the MHT CET PCB exam, some of the most highly recommended books include the Marvel Physics, Chemistry and Biology series, as well as the Target Publications Absolute series. These books are comprehensive, covering the entire syllabus, and are known for their clear, concise explanations. But don't limit yourself to books alone. The digital age offers a plethora of online resources. Websites like Topper and Unacademy offer extensive study materials, mock tests, and video lectures tailored specifically for the MHT CET PCB exam. They can be a great supplement to your book-based study. Remember, your goal should be to find comprehensive study materials that cover the entire syllabus and provide clear, in-depth explanations. Choosing the right study materials is the first step towards effective preparation. Now that you have your study materials, how do you plan your study schedule? Well, creating a well-structured study plan is an absolute must. The key to a good plan is balance and consistency. Start by dividing your time for different subjects. Prioritize the subjects you find difficult and allocate more time to them. Remember, consistency is key, even if it means studying for shorter periods regularly. This helps to keep information fresh in your mind. Now let's talk about revision. Regular revision is crucial to ensure that you retain what you have learned. It's a good practice to set aside a specific time each day for revision, but don't forget to balance study with relaxation. Your brain needs rest to process and retain information, so include short breaks in your study plan, and don't forget to set aside time for activities you enjoy. A well-structured study plan not only guides your preparation, but also helps maintain your mental well-being. How important is practice and revision in your preparation journey? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's dive into that. The significance of regular practice and revision while preparing for the MHT CET PCB exam cannot be overstated. It's akin to sharpening your sword before a battle. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, but without consistent practice and revision, you might find it hard to apply them effectively when the time comes. Consider practice and revision as the pillars of your preparation journey. They help solidify your understanding of concepts and make your learning more durable. You've probably heard the saying, use it or lose it. That's particularly true when it comes to education. The more you practice and revise, the better you'll retain the information. Now let's talk about mock tests and previous year papers. These are not just tools for practice, but they're also your secret weapon in understanding the exam pattern. Going through these will give you a clear idea about the type of questions you can expect. They will also help you identify your strong and weak areas, allowing you to allocate your time and efforts accordingly. Moreover, solving these tests and papers will improve your speed and accuracy. Remember, the MHT CET PCB exam is not just about getting the right answers, but it's also about getting them quickly. Every second counts, and the more you practice, the faster you'll be able to solve the problems. The role of practice and revision extends beyond just academic preparation. It also helps build confidence. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel on the day of the exam. And that, my friends, can make a world of difference. So don't underestimate the power of regular practice and revision. They are not mere tasks to tick off your to-do list, but they're your stepping stones to success. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regular revision and practice are your best strategies to crack the MHT CET PCB exam 2024. So, are you ready to take on the MHT CET PCB exam 2024? Let's take a moment to revisit the key takeaways from our discussion. Firstly, we underscored the significance of understanding the importance of the exam. Remember, your motivation fuels your preparation journey. Secondly, we delved into the critical role of selecting the right study materials. The right resources can make a world of difference in your preparation. We then moved on to creating a robust study plan. A structured approach will help streamline your efforts and keep you on track. Lastly, we emphasized the indispensable role of practice and revision. Consistent practice helps cement your understanding, while revision ensures everything stays fresh in your memory. Remember, preparation for the MHT CET PCB exam 2024 is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. With the right strategy and consistent efforts, you're well on your way to crack the MHT CET PCB exam 2024. Good luck!